I came here because the mechanic that we were going to retired. And I had seen Precision Auto had put in an ad to help a family. And I thought, geez, let's give this company a try. Very professional, helpful. Called when the assessment was done to let me know what the issues were, and clean and helpful. Technical issues with regards to the computer. I've had regular wear and tear maintenance. They do all of our oil changes, our tire rotations for each season, brakes, exhaust, you name it. I had a car that had 200,000 miles on it. I wasn't quite ready to give it up, and they kept it running for me for a little bit longer until we could decide what we wanted.